Hello friends, I am Diksha. Today we will discuss about some types of drama. Then first of all, melodrama. Melodrama. What is melodrama? Melodrama was a debased form of tragedy. Melodrama comes from Greek word melos means song, of French word drum means drama. It is type of literature or narrative that is designed to exploit audiences' emotions with simple plots and dramatic performances. Some characteristics of this drama: episodic form, the villain poses a threat, the hero or heroine escapes. Popular in 19th century. Then second one is heroic drama, a form of tragedy which was fashionable at the beginning of the Restoration period. Its themes were love and honor, its mode grand, the theatrical and declamatory, and its worst bombastic. Origin in 1660s to 1670s. And the next one is problem drama. This play is popular in 19th century. It deals with the controversial social issue in the realistic manner to expose social ills and to stimulate thought and discussion on the part of the audience. This type of drama depicts some social, political or moral problem of the society. Next one is mime. It is difficult, a silent or acting. Mime. It is a silent acting. It is a form of entertainment in which a performer plays a character or tells a story without words by using body movements and facial expression. Epic theatre. It is a theatrical movement arising in the earlier to mid 20th century from the theories and practice of number. ये NO नंबर है यहाँ पे. Practical of numbers of theater participationer who responded to the political climate of time through the creation of new political dramas. Epic theater क्या है कि 20th सेंचुरी में ये मतलब पॉपुलर हो जाता है और इसमें ये क्या है पॉलिटिकल और सोशल में ये भी यही बताता है कि थ्योरीज एंड प्रैक्टिकल बताता है. नंबर ऑफ थिएटर पार्टिस जो उसके अंदर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं या प्रैक्टिशनर्स हु रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं टू पॉलिटिकल क्लाइमेट ऑफ द टाइम. पॉलिटिकल जो मतलब क्लाइमेट है मतलब राजनीति में जो जैसा चल रहा है उसका टाइम थ्रू द क्रिएशन के टाइम में बताता है न्यू पॉलिटिकल ड्रामाज. फिर है एपिक थिएटर्स aims to force the audience to critically think and make judgment on what they are seeing. वो क्या है क्रिटिकली मतलब एक तरीके से आलोचनात्मक होती है कि ऑडियंस टू क्रिटिकल जो ऑडियंस है वो क्रिटिकल थिंक मतलब उनकी सोच में आलोचना होती है एंड मेक जजमेंट उनको जजमेंट मतलब करना होता है ऑन व्हाट दे आर सीइंग जो वो देख रहे होते हैं. इट ट्राइज टू शो हाउ थिंग्स इन सोसाइटी could be different if attitudes could be changed. It creates the illusion of reality. Poetic drama, father of poetic drama, Eliot. It is a great achievement of the modern age. It is a mixture of high seriousness and colloquial elements. It is combination of the tradition and the experiment of the ancient and the new. It is symbolic and difficult. Its verse form of is blank and free verse. ये वर्सेस में लिखा जाता है या फिर पोइटिक में लिखा जाता है. रेडियो प्ले. It is a dramatized purely acoustic performance with number of visual component. With no visual component, radio drama depends on dialogues, music and sound effects to help the listeners imagine the characteristics and story. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.